How is everybody doing today? My name is Hayden Wendell. I'm a realtor here in Bryan-College Station. Behind me, I have a great townhome. It is one of my favorite properties I've gotten to see in Bryan-College Station. 3-bed, 3.5 bath, listed at $465,000, a little over 2,200 square feet. I think y'all are gonna love it, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right, whenever you walk in, you do have a staircase to the top 2 levels on your left, but over here you do have one of the 3 bedrooms over here next to the storage closet. Good sized bedroom here, and you do have a nice updated bathroom. Here you have your quartz countertops that you'll see throughout the bathrooms. But let's head upstairs and I will meet y'all up there. Now that we are on the 2nd story, y'all can really see why this is one of my favorite homes I have been in Bryan-College Station. I mean, you can't tell me this is not an awesome townhome. Look at how much storage you have. You have storage underneath your bar here. You have it over in the living room as well, on top of just the unreal amount of cabinets that you have in your kitchen. You have that same backsplash and tile that you saw in the downstairs bathroom. Then you also have a black granite countertop here as well. Stainless steel appliances, huge living room with plenty of sunlight that can come in, and it is north-south sunlight, so you're not, getting that early morning sunrise or that late sunset coming in here. It's just a good amount of light that can come in. But let's go ahead and go upstairs. All right, and now we are on the 3rd story, or we can call it the penthouse. Here there is another full bedroom with a full bath as well. Now it could be used as an office, or if you need that 3rd bedroom, you do have that opportunity to use it. But here we do have the primary bedroom suite, and you have that same natural light coming in. It's a huge room. I mean, you get so much space here. It's 2,200 square feet, this townhome. And I mean, you cannot really ask for more. Here in the primary bathroom, you have these beautiful tiles that are going across the floor. Same countertops that we've been seeing. Soaking tub. You do have this great shower here. That is all for today's tour. I just want to thank y'all so much for tuning in. And like I said, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll get more videos out there for y'all. This is one of my favorite homes that I've gotten to see in Bryan-College Station. I'm glad that I was able to show it to y'all, and hopefully I can get some more videos out to y'all soon. Y'all have a great day. Bye.